Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use your multi-purpose machine to bead your clothes. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. For the things you need your multi-purpose machine, you need beading dies. These are the beading sizes. This is the dies. Okay, we have 4 different sizes. Here you need your bead, size of the bead you want. Okay, this is the bead, and you need an iron for the bead. You can see it's very tiny, so this is what will hold the bead to the fabric. You can see how it is. Comes in silver color. You can see this is very important. Okay, now how do you fix the dies? First thing you need to do, we already have a hole here. This is the dies. This side is for the upper side and this side is for the inward. You have to fix it and then tight it using your screw. You can see it's tight. Now for the sizes of the bead, as of this one, this particular one, this is the size. Okay, you can see this is the size of the bead I have. But this thing here is for all sizes. This aluminium mount here is for all sizes of the bead. You can use it for the big, the small, and any other size. Just go ahead and remove any one you have here at the upper side. This for the eyelet. Now this is the particular one I want to use here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and tighten it at the screw here. Okay, so the machine is ready for work. Now the next thing you will do, this aluminium sharp tough here, it has 4 mounts. You can see that is pointed up, and it has the back, which is the smooth side. The smooth sides, you have to put it in this hole. You have to insert it inside the hole. You can see, if you only feel it when you press it down, because this iron moves in. You can see it. Let me show you. If you move it inward, you can see. You only see it when you press it down. You can see the iron there. So the next thing you will do, get your fabric. So this is the front. You make use of this time around. The front should be up. Remember other ones, the cover button, the eyelet is down. You face the right one down. But this particular one, your right side of the fabric should be up. So after that, what you do, your bead, you insert it on this place. Okay, after inserting it, then you place your fabric. Just press it gently. You can see, immediately you press it, it will lock the bead on the fabric. Very simple. But make sure you don't push it inward too much. It doesn't need much pressure, unlike your cover button, your eyelet. Those ones you have to apply much strength on it. But this time around, just light pressure you need. Just press it down. The machine itself will do the work. You can see. So you can actually use another fabric just to make it. So you can see the ring. Just go ahead and put it on the hole there. Then put your bead. So after putting it, you can actually put it on this direct. Okay, let's see. So guys, we have actually beat the cloth. You can see how it looks. So beautiful. Mind you, you will beat it before sewing, okay? So by the time you add lining to it, it should not be too thick, okay? After beading it, you can go ahead and start making use of it and see how it looks so beautiful. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for how you can achieve your iron pressing button. I'll put the link at the description box, so you click on the link and watch the video step by step on how you can achieve your iron pressing button. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. If this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Encourage your girl by giving me a thumbs up. Drop your comment. Do you like it? You drop I like it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye until I see you in my next video. Bye.